Drink just 1 glass daily to support your liver detox naturally. Would you like to discover a simple way to support your liver detox naturally? In today's video, we're going to show you an easy liver detox juice recipe you can make to promote a healthy liver, so it can function at its best. Best of all the 6 liver healthy ingredients used in this recipe are supported by scientific studies. When it comes to optimizing our health, the liver is one critical organ we tend to overlook. You may not realize that your liver plays about 500 different functions, including neutralizing toxins, fighting infections and manufacturing proteins and hormones. Would you believe it even has the amazing capacity to regenerate itself after injury? It's the only organ in your body which can do so. The majority of us lead busy, stressful lives, and having an unbalanced diet and eating processed foods can really take a toll on the liver over time. If your liver's capacity to detoxify itself and cleanse your body becomes less than desirable, toxins start to accumulate and the overload may cause illness over time. The best way to keep your liver healthy is to simply feed it the right things. This juice is the perfect way to support your liver naturally. So if you're ready, let's get into it. As always, this video is educational and does not construe medical advice. We are not doctors. Before we present the liver detox juice recipe, let's go over what you can expect from each of the 6 ingredients. 1. Organic celery. Did you know that celery is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, including A, B6, C and K? These key nutrients can help cleanse the liver by reducing fatty buildup associated with high cholesterol and obesity. Many people believe it eliminates toxins over time too. 2. Ginger. Ginger root may be the perfect superfood for your liver. It has been shown to reduce oxidative stress, decrease insulin resistance and inhibit inflammation, all factors that contribute to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Ginger also protects against cellular damage and toxins like alcohol. 3. Organic cabbage. Cabbage is a fantastic source of enzymes that will help flush toxins from your body, and it contains choline, which helps promote liver health. A new study found an amazing compound in this leafy green vegetable called indole 3-carbinol, or IEC for short, that can prevent non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and improves its symptoms as well. 4. Lemon and lemon peel. This tangy fruit is not only a delicious way to perk up your day, but the high levels of vitamin C and antioxidants make it an essential part of any diet that aims for better liver health. One study has shown the ability of hespedrin, or lemon bioflavonoid, to protect your liver from damage, while another suggests lemon peel may be beneficial to those living with fatty liver disease. 5. Pears. Pears are an outstanding source of pectin, as well as other helpful components that aid cleansing. Pectin has been shown in studies to significantly lower LDL cholesterol and decreases bile acid metabolism and absorption of cholesterol in the liver. 6. Peppermint. Peppermint can help stimulate bile flow by relaxing the bile ducts in your liver. Bile is a fluid secreted by the liver, which is essential for digestion. You can energize your body and soothe indigestion with the aid of peppermint. Not only will your stomach be feeling better, but you'll also find that your skin is clearer as well. Now, on to our liver boosting juice recipe. Ingredients: 25 grams of celery, a finger-sized piece of ginger, 125 grams of fresh red cabbage, 1 lemon, 250 grams of fresh pears, 10 grams of mint, 500 milliliters of water. Instructions: wash all the ingredients thoroughly but do not peel them. Decor the pear, keeping as much flesh as possible, and grate the ginger. Cut the pears, cabbage and celery into thin slices. Place all into a blender. Add the water and blend. Next, grate about a half tablespoon of lemon peel. Squeeze the lemon into a bowl and discard the seeds. Next, add the lemon juice, mint and peel and blend once more. Serve and enjoy. How to use: drink this mix 2 times a day for best results. Take 1 glass first thing in the morning and 1 about 2 hours before you go to sleep. It will keep in your refrigerator for about 2 days. And that's it. Take this liver detox recipe whenever you need to rejuvenate your body. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.